Hi, today we are going to see how to use sumif function in Google Sheet. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type sheets.google.com. Here a new interface will open. For video purpose, I am using sumif function spreadsheet. Here we will search for a product and its sum amount. So we have to give equal sign, then search for sumif. After that we have to select the range. So I will select the range from A5 to A13. Then I have to give comma. After that we have to select criterion. The criterion is for which product our search will happen. So I will select B1 because our desired product is in B1. Then we have to give comma. After that we have to search for where our search will happen. So we have to give B5 to B13. Then close the bracket and press enter. Here we can see our desired product bananas sum amount is here. So that's all about sumif function. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.